Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir starter grains. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need about 1 to 2 teaspoons of active or dehydrated milk kefir grains. Grab a clean glass jar, a breathable cover like a coffee filter, and a rubber band. Also, have 1 to 2 cups of fresh whole milk ready. Remember to use a fine mesh plastic strainer and a non-metal spoon to protect your grains. Now, let's begin the first fermentation. Gently place your kefir grains into the clean glass jar. Pour in 1 to 2 cups of whole milk, making sure the grains are fully covered. Secure a breathable cover, like a coffee filter, over the jar with a rubber band. Allow this mixture to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 24 hours. After about 24 hours, your kefir should be ready. Place a fine mesh strainer over a bowl and pour the contents of your jar through it. The liquid collected is your delicious, freshly made kefir. Carefully transfer the separated grains back into a clean jar. Add fresh milk to start a new batch. Consistent daily feeding is key to keeping your grains healthy and active. Happy kefir grains will naturally grow and multiply over time. To encourage this, maintain an optimal temperature between 72 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Ensure a good ratio of grains to milk, roughly 1 part grains to 10 parts milk, to provide ample food. If your grains become very large, you can gently break them into smaller pieces to increase their surface area, promoting even faster multiplication.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.